Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, April 19th, and this is my analysis on the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the pound dollar, I still think this is going to make a higher low, higher low. I still think this is an uptrend. I still think it is likely to go up and take out these highs. Now, if it's a running flat, which is definitely a possibility, then it could definitely make a lower high and turn at one of these lower fib levels. But either way, I'm definitely looking at this as making another move to the upside. Heading down to the weekly time frame, I still think it looks like a running flat wave too. If that's true, that means that this is a 1, this is a 2, and this is eventually going to go up and finish off that 3, 4, 5, just like what I was showing on the monthly time frame. Heading down to the daily time frame, we are definitely at a Fibonacci level right now, and we do have a little 3, 4, 5 shape going on right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, this could actually be like a wave 4 forming and then go down again for a wave 5. It actually is pretty likely, but if it goes up and breaks structure, then we definitely should be looking for longs. And if it just keeps on trending up while we're looking for longs, then that's actually a bonus trade. If it makes a crutch into the downtrend, then we should better recognize that. We should better get out of our longs, and we should better go short again. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we definitely got like a triple bottom situation going on right here. I do think it is going to go up and make a break of structure, and I do think that this trend right here is going to be over. Now it could possibly turn into a complete trend reversal and just keep on trending up, or it could possibly turn into like an ABC of 4 and go back down. Either scenario, I definitely think we're going to be able to recognize whether it's a wave 4 ABC or whether it's a continuation of the uptrend. Heading right down to the 1 hour time frame, I do think the price is likely to go up and break structure. And I would definitely say the first move up would be either a wave A or a wave 1. Then it should make either a wave B or a wave 2, which would be a crutch into the move up. Then it should go up and either make a wave C or a wave 3. If it's a wave C, then it would probably look like this, which would be an exit for my longs and an entry to go short. If it really is a wave 3, then it's just going to continue to make higher highs, higher lows. And if that's the case, we'll just hold on to those longs and enjoy the profits. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, link down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to the daily live trading sessions and access to my swing trade setups by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.